Hello everyone, my name is Mason Coates over here at Kendall Chevrolet GMC in Buick. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to program your liftgate in our new 2022 Chevy Equinox. If you look next to your knee on the driver's side door, you'll see a little knob right there. That's your liftgate control button. First, you're going to spin that thing right to the 3/4 settings. Okay, next we're going to open up the back. We're going to walk all the way back here. Make sure that it's all the way up for this to work. Then we're going to adjust this height of the tailgate to wherever we want. I'm going to put it to right here, and then there's a button right back down below here. You're going to hold that button until it beeps. And then once it beeps, that's set, and that's how high it's going to open. This actually saves you from chipping your paint, ruining this wiper right back here. It's one of my favorite features of this Equinox. Feel free to subscribe to this channel to learn more. Visit us at our showroom on Goodpasture Island Road, or check out our website at KendallChevroletBuickGMC.com. Kendall, let's start something great.